Alright, I couldn't get the fight because the camera was acting up. But check out this fucking honker. Oh, shit. Chill. Hold on. Relax. Alright. Let me grab him here. Oh, yeah! Look at that boy! I got my other rod in the water. I just baited it, but this dude nearly fucking... Oh, fuck! This dude nearly fucking sent my... Ah, fuck! I can barely hold on to him when he does that. Strong... Ah, fuck! This is a strong motherfucker. Holy shit. He's wrapping himself up and shit. Alright, hold on. Let me fucking unhook you, bro. I know. Hold on. Let me fucking unhook you. I don't want you to be out of the water longer than you have to either. So, let me take care of this. Get the fucking hook out. I'm gonna get my pliers. Where's my fucking pliers? I just fucking had them out. There they are. Okay. Alright. Come on, baby. That hook is right in the corner of the lip. Perfect hook set. Oh shit, I just snapped my hook. Well, I'm still going to grab the point right here and pull it out the other way. There we go. Got the hook out. Now let me see if I can show you guys this fish fully here. Look at that! Wow! Nice! Alright, let me see if I can get a picture on my phone. Chill, dude. I just want a picture, and then I'll let you go. I fucking promise. Fat boy. Let's let this guy go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! See you later, buddy. Give him a second to recoup here. If you go like this with your fish, back and forth, it helps reoxygenate the gills. Especially with a big fish, you want to give them a second to recover if they've been out of the water for a minute. So you just kind of hold them by the tail and reoxygenate the gills, and then eventually you let them go. See you later, buddy. Woohoo! That was awesome. Alright. Chaos. Okay, hold on. So now this line is in the water. Let me fucking fix this guy up really quick. Yeah, bait's there, just chilling. I'm gonna do like that. Wow, that was awesome. That was super fucking sick. Nice. What do we got here? So I snapped my hook, trying to get it out of his mouth. Damn, time to get a new one. Back at it, boy.